how to transfer your contacts from one Gmail account to another on your Android phone. Here's how. First, open the Contacts app. Make sure you're signed into the Gmail account from which you want to export your contacts. Next, tap Organize. Now, select Export to File. Tap Save. This will save all your contacts as a VCF file on your phone. Go back to the Organize menu. Select Import from File. Choose the VCF file you just exported. Now, select the Gmail account where you want to import your contacts. Tap Import. Wait a few moments while your contacts are imported and synced to the selected Gmail account. That's it. Your contacts have now been successfully transferred to your new Gmail account. If this tutorial helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more quick and easy Android tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.